Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a quick little nail haul, just showing you what I purchased and the finds that I found, the items that I found in some of the stores. So the first one I actually ordered online, and it was from Skyline Beauty Supply, and it is this Cheri acrylic powder. I got the one in crystal clear.
Oh, Mama.
Yeah, baby. It was 2.5 ounces. It was $14.95. Yeah, this one was $14.95. I also bought a liquid. It was $14.95. But I'm really interested in trying this one. It says it's a fast set, and I hope it works out. I mean, I see a lot of good things about it online on Instagram, so hopefully we'll see how that works. This is the liquid. It says fast set. This is 8 ounces.
Mama.
Yes. This one is 8 ounces, and it was also $14.95. So I got that. I also bought, if you follow Nails on 7th or Jenny Spa Box on Instagram, you know that she has this crystal gel to adhere your crystals. And so I bought it hoping it'll work, and I actually put it on here and on this ring finger, and these seem to be holding on pretty good. These I've lost a couple, but I think it's because I didn't put enough. Since I'm right-handed, I put it with my left. I don't think I put enough gel on there to adhere the stones really well. But this hand is doing great. It looks really good. This one was $19.95, I think. And then Skyline had a promotion that when you bought this, you got these crystals. And these are SS12s, I believe. And they're just like, they're really pretty good quality crystals. I mean, they're not Swarovski, but I mean, they're nice. I could use them. So this came with this together for $20, and this on its own I think is like $15.
Nicely clean, okay?
Yes, okay.
Nicely clean.
Okay. And the other day when I went to Marshall's, I found this OPI gel color. This is a top coat. I guess it has something in there to make your nails healthy. So I found this one, and I found a base coat. I found 4 of these and 2 base coats. Both were priced at $3.99. So I brought home all 6. I figured for the price, you couldn't beat it. They're going for $10. A little bit more online each one. And I mean, worst case scenario, I don't like it, I just return it. So 4 of these, and I bought 2 of these. I was also browsing at Walmart the other day, and I found these Color Club dip systems. Okay, it was on clearance for $10. I don't really remember how much they were originally, but I figured for $10, I mean, I might as well try it. It comes with these colors right here. I'm not a fan of the dip, but I want to give it a try. I mean, I'm not going to knock it till I try it, so. And for $10, I get 3 colors in the whole system. I'm going to try it. So I found this kit and this one. This one has more of a teal, purple, and like a, I guess a lilac tone. And the kit again. Yes. And then the kit again. So, again, $10. So I figured I'd try it. So then for my haul, I bought this $10. This for $10. These each were $3.99, so it came out maybe to like $26 for all 6 of them. The Jenny Secret Gel that came with this for $19.95, I think. So this was a promo, a flash deal for Skyline Beauty Supply. I don't think it's available anymore, but they're always posting deals, so you might want to check back. But my next one, I want to buy the actual 2-step one, the resin and the sealer. So I bought this. The Cheri liquid. That was 8 ounce, $14.95. And the powder, $14.95, which is pretty big, and I think it's a good deal for $14.95, especially being made here in the USA. So if I like this one, I'm gonna probably pick up the rest of the colors and maybe a big bulk one of the clear, like that. And then when you order, so I bought these for right here from Skyline. So when you order $30 or more, you get free shipping, and that's what I did. These were barely under $30, so I figured I'd add these because it was a good deal. And it came out to maybe like under $50, and I got free shipping. And they're pretty quick on their shipping. I do give them credit for that. I would take them about 2 days to get here, and I haven't used it yet, but I don't know. I might post a video showing the review on this system. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. And that's it for my haul. Thanks guys for watching.